slime. So to make the slime, you're gonna need clay and lotion. Let's get on to the video. So to make the slime with the clay, put them into little circles just like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so next with the clay, you're gonna stick a hole with your finger, just like that.
I did it! Like this?
Yeah. Okay, just like that. Next, you're gonna put some lotion in it, just like about 3 squirts, and you're just gonna mix it all. So once you're done mixing up all the lotion, you can stick another hole into it and put as much lotion again. If you want it more softer but more like stickier, just add a bunch of lotion and keep mixing it, and eventually it'll come out into the butter slime. So guys, this is the finishing touch. We added some dye to it, and this is how we made it blue. Comment,
Give us a like or subscribe.
and comment down below what slime y'all want us to do next. Bye!
Thanks for watching!
Bye.